Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change language in Arknight Endfield game on PC. So what you have to do is, after you open the exe file, you will get this type of interface. Here you have to click on the settings option that you can see in the above. Click on it, and here you can see language option. It's already selected as English. So when you go there, click on the arrow icon, you will get lots of other languages. From here you can easily change the language from English to any other. Just for example, simply click on Dutch and the language will change to that particular language that you have selected. Or even you can go to another language, just select Italiano and language will be changed to that particular language that you have selected. Now if you again come back and change back to English, you have to simply select English from here and you can see the language will be changed to the language option that you have selected. So through this way you can easily change the language from English to any other language or revert back to English once again in Arknights Endfield game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.